And the story, it looks very similar to what we have seen previously, which means the red wave, the momentum from a point of voter registration continues. Of course, Democrats held a voter registration advantage in the state of Florida from the onset of partisan voter registrations in the early 70s all the way until November 2021. But since then, there's literally only been 1 month where Democrats fared better than Republicans in the state of Florida. And here's a hint. It wasn't last month. So in October, Democrats lost another 12,900 voters in the state of Florida. Republicans added about 3,800 voters during the month. NPA minor party affiliations also fell by about 1,300. So here's what's happened year to date now. Democrats have lost almost 375,000 voters over where we were on January 1st. Republicans are off about 126,800, and NPA minor party affiliations off about 317,000. This is common, by the way, where you see net declines in voter registrations in off-election years because you have voter rolls that are cleaned, and without there being an election cycle, you don't have a lot of people that are new voters, whether they moved here or they are now age eligible, what have you, to go ahead and register. So that we tend to see that in election years. When you take a look at the current percentage breakout, Republicans now have a 10.5% advantage in the state of Florida over Democrats. By way of actual voters, the Republican advantage over Democrats now stands at a record of greater than 1.4 million voters. That's a net change of about 16,600 voters in October alone.